Hello friends, in this video I am going to discuss about limit and offset in DB2 database. So right here I am using DB Enterprise and here DB2 it's the connector. And here I am using employees table and first let's see the record inside employees table. So this is the record and here you can see this all rows, total numbers of rows are 107. Now and here by using limit to, so by using limit to keyword, so we can do some limitation on the rows. So if you want to display only top 5 rows, so you can give the limit. So right here this is the query. So select a start from employees and here doing the ordering on employee ID, and if I include add here limit, so that display top 10 record from the table. So here you can see 1 to 10. So add here the limitation on the table, add here 10. Now here after if I execute, so this is offset. Okay, so here if I execute, so after 5 rows that display 10 rows. Okay, so here you can see 1 to 10 and here 105 and total 114. So if you count total rows are 10. Now here you can see if I execute this one, so 5 rows at 6 position. So by using offset, so after 5 rows it's displaying the record. Now here, so select a start from employees and here, so this is the employee ID. Now I'm doing the limitation 10 to 20. So at this 10 place 109. Now execute this query. So and here after 109, 110, it start from 10 and here that in 129. So the limitation add here that 10 to 20. So add here total numbers of rows it's displaying 20. So it start after 10. After 10 it's displaying 20 rows. So by if you want to display highest salary on the table, so here let's execute and here you can see this is the salary column. Now for highest salary we must include and here salary is in descending order. Now here you can see this is in descending order. So if you want to display top 10, top 5 highest salary, so you should use limit. So if you include the limit, so add here from here to this point that display the salary. Now execute. So top 10 rows it's displaying and this is the highest salary. Now let's include only salary column. If you want to display top 5 highest salary, so give the limitation 5. So here this is the top highest salary and here some employees salary is in duplicate because some employees has 70,000 or 70,000 salary. So two different employees has 17,000 salary. So like this, if you want to display third highest salary, so add here first at 70,000 it's displayed in the table. So the reason for using limit, so give the limitation on the rows. That's why we are using limit. And here this is the offset. So after when you give any value, so after giving the value that display the rows. So if I give add here at this point 2. Now let's execute this query. So after 2, so after 101, that is start from 102 and that display the values. Execute. So here 102 and total numbers of rows 10 display. Now limit is 10. So total numbers of rows display 10. So this is the reason we are using offset and limit in DB2. So I hope guys this video is helpful for you. So now this video is over. So thanks for watching. See you next.